Hello friends, welcome to your Infotech channel. So last class we discussed about button groups. So in this session I would like to explain now. Okay, spinners in Bootstrap. So a spinner is the one in order to create like any loader, okay, any animations for we need to show the user whether it is a loading. Okay, so we use the spinners. Okay, so we use a spinner border for creating this spinner in Bootstrap. Let me share my Visual Studio. So create a new file. Now we can save the file with the spinners.html. So write HTML code here. So I'm just adding this title. Try to give here BS link. So link CSS bootstrap.min.css file, stop.min.css, and so let me take some BR. Okay, I'm taking one container. Okay, you can write. Let me take here a container. Okay, so inside of container, I'm taking here one button. Okay, for the button, I'm taking here class equal to btn. Okay, so btn default, or you can take your button dark. Okay, so this is a dark button. Right click, open in default browser. Okay, so there we go. So I created one button here. So before the button, I need to add a spinner here. Okay, so we have contextual classes available for the spinner. Okay, let me add here some border for this spinner. Okay, border. Okay, and let me add here text warning. Text warning. Let me go to this. Just reload this page. So you look at this. We just add a spinner. Okay, the two color spinner for this dark button, and we also have here. I need a small size. We can write here spinner sm and text warning. I'll go to this browser. Just reload this page. Okay, we place here a smaller spinner here. Okay, so like we can create different types of spinners here. Okay, suppose we can take okay, same dark button only. I'm just exploring these spinners. Okay, you can write here success info primary. I'm making here danger. So go there, just reload this page. Okay, so look at this. Just make here different kinds of spinners here. Okay, and next thing we also have okay, spinner glow class. So if I want to add instead of border, We can also use here a grow. Okay, for grow, so let me create one paragraph. So I'll make it here. Okay, so go to this browser, just reload this page. Okay, so here we go. We have a paragraph here. Okay, and for this, make class here. Class equal to, I'm giving here margin top. Okay, 3. Let me go to this browser. Let's reload this page. We get some space here. So for this, we can add here a spinner. Enter here fs5. Now trying to add the spinner. Class equal to spinner grow. Okay, spinner grow ism. Let me go to this. Let's reload this page. Look at this. We have a spinner grow. Okay, ism. Similarly, let me copy this. Okay, so here I'm going to add here text primary, text success, text danger. Okay, the same thing we gonna add here. We can apply some styles for this. The same, just we can add here the text primary class for this one also. Text primary. Okay, so for this also we can add text success. We can also add for this text danger. Okay, go to this browser once. Just reload this page. Okay, look at this. Like this, we can add spinners in Bootstrap. Okay, and we can also add the spinner grow for in button also. So instead of dark, I'm just adding here button primary. Okay, so we can write here spinner grow, spinner grow sm, text primary. See here, we just apply the same color. Okay, so that's why it is coming here. Just add here spinner text warning. Just reload this so you can get here. Okay, so like this we can use spinners in the Bootstrap.